Hi, William Barrett with Crimson AV here at the CEDIA Expo 2024 in Denver, Colorado. And one of the new products I'd like to show you today from Crimson is our WMLU-G2. Crimson's mission is always to provide high quality solutions at affordable cost and great value, but also most importantly to provide solutions that are easy to work with and simplify the installation process for our installation partners. So this Generation 2 version of our Unistrut menu board solution adds a 1/2 inch of post-installation leveling. Without the need for wall plates and connecting those and leveling those, the installation is simple with just one row of Unistrut for your entire row of TVs. It's infinitely expandable. You can do 10, 15, 20 displays if needed. And again, with the addition of the post-installation leveling, if you get the Unistrut on the wall basically level, it gives you up to a 1/2 inch of micro adjustment to account for any imperfections in the wall or ceiling, or just where you need basic micro adjustments. It has a locking pin to securely attach to the Unistrut. It works with standard channel and also thin channel Unistrut. It has these bump outs as well for accounting for any imperfections in the wall structure to make sure that everything's level and micro adjusted. For more information about this product, you can visit www.crimsonav.com.